I'm just making this video because I want to give some information on the revelation of the Lawless One. I uploaded a document to archive.org on November 10th. It's an exposition of the Lawless One. It talks about the events surrounding the Catholic Church and how those events led to where we are today. You'll find in the writing how Vatican II not only affected the Catholic Church, it also affected society from a cultural standpoint, social standpoint, also from a political standpoint. The Israel-Palestine issue, you'll find in the writing that even that ties in to Vatican II. I go into detail about that, but in this video I want to tell you what the revelation of the Lawless One is. The Lawless One is none other than Mars 360. Yes, the planet Mars and its revolution around the sun. How I calculated that was by using the English Sumerian gematria, where you assign a numerical value to each letter of a word. When you use the English Sumerian gematria, what you do is you start with 6 and you move in increments of 6 as you go through the alphabets. So A equals 6, A would equal 6, B would equal 12, C would equal 18, and so on and so forth. So if you take the word Mars and you total it, you would get the 306. If you simply add 360 to that, you get 666. So that's how I was able to come up with the answer that the Lawless One is none other than Mars 360. So in the book, I give a lot of information, not only on Mars 360, but also the implications of it, what it means as far as where we are now and where we're going. Because one thing I noticed was that after the revelation, everything as far as eschatology becomes more clearer, and everything is much more connected than previously thought. The book, once you go through the book, it'll really enlighten you on how all of this is basically presenting itself to us. So I'll have the link at the bottom. Just click on the link and make sure you start with the table of contents because there's a lot of information in the book. And if you just want to see how I calculated the Lawless One, just go to page 144 and it'll give you the answer there. But from there, just go back to the table of contents and just look through the chapters that are of interest to you and just go from there. I mean, you can try and read the whole thing, but I do have to tell you it's very long. It's 200,000 words. So thank you very much, and I'll leave the link at the bottom. Thank you.